In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display trading sessions for futures contracts and continuous futures from CME Group. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to leverage the different trading hours available can significantly enhance your analysis and decision-making capabilities. First, let's talk about what these trading sessions are. When trading futures or continuous futures, you have two types of trading sessions to choose from: electronic trading hours, or ETH, and regular trading hours, or RTH. Understanding the distinction between these two is fundamental. ETH represents the main full session for an instrument, as outlined in its specification. It captures a complete overview of the trading activity, giving you the full picture across all trading hours. On the other hand, RTH represents a reduced session that only displays data pool from 0830 to 1515 Central Time. This session is essentially a slice of the overall trading day, focusing on when the majority of trading volume typically occurs, which can help highlight different market dynamics. So how do you apply this in your trading? The ability to toggle between these sessions allows you to search for new high and low prices during different times of the day. You can employ the session volume profile to observe how volume is distributed over time and use this data to conduct any technical analysis that might have been previously complicated by the inclusion of bars outside the RTH session. This flexibility is beneficial for traders who want a clearer view of market activity during peak hours and to strategize more effectively. Now let's talk about access. The great news is that this feature is available to all users, regardless of your plan or subscription, ensuring that every trader can take advantage of this powerful tool. However, there are some important restrictions to be aware of. The session feature affects data only when you're looking at intraday timeframes. This means the data within a daily candle remains consistent across both ETH and RTH. Therefore, if you're interested in daily analysis based on RTH data, consider using a 24-hour candle instead of the standard daily one. This subtle shift can provide you with a more accurate evaluation of the market conditions during regular hours. Keep in mind that this feature is only supported for futures and continuous contracts from the COMEX, CME, NYMEX, and CBOT exchanges. Being aware of these restrictions ensures that you won't encounter any unexpected surprises and can plan your trading strategy accordingly. By understanding and utilizing these session definitions in your trading platform, you open up new opportunities for more strategic trading and deeper market insight. Whether you're searching for new pricing levels or analyzing volume distribution, these tools provide valuable perspectives that can help refine your trading approach.